Okay, this is laundry part 2. Okay, so I put fabric bleach in there, all fabric bleach that I bought at 99 cents only, and I also buy the laundry detergent there. And so I'm adding two little things of laundry detergent to make sure, you know, this is a pretty big load. I want to make sure my laundry gets nice and clean. And so also I have my laundry, let me show you. I have my laundry on hot. And so what I want to do is I want to agitate my laundry for a couple minutes, and then I want to let it set for 10 minutes. Okay, I used to do all kinds of sanitation, and they used to say, oh, that's not necessary to let the bleach set for 10 minutes. But back in the day, we would always activate the bleach for 10 minutes. And so I will, let's see, I think it's good. Okay, I will make sure all my clothes are covered, and I will let them sit here for 10 minutes, and then I'll finish washing them. And the other thing I do that really does cut down on the germs, because you know, the less exposure you have, the less germs. So what I try to do, is I try to hang my clothes. You know, I have those little wooden hanger things you can buy, and my apartment looks like a Chinese laundry, but nobody's in there but me. Okay, I think I mentioned to you guys I used to be a nurse student, and so what I did was all my clothes went into a garbage bag and I tied it tight in a knot. And I used to work, I told you guys, in shops with roaches, and I never got them. And the most treacherous of roaches too, German roaches, same thing, clothes in garbage bags, tied them shut. And I tell my customers, you know, don't take your purse, your purse and leave it in the car. And I used to lock my purse in the car too, and I never got them, never had them. You get them, you can't get rid of them. Main thing is they're gonna get in the motor of your refrigerator and like under your sinks. So I would keep roach baits at all times under my refrigerator and under my sinks, just in case a stray one got in. Okay, so that's laundry tips number 2.